Hi guys, welcome back. So this is a video, I suggested I put this together just to help a few of you who may be struggling with Google Classroom. So I just wanted to show you, this is a sample class. Obviously you'll have a number of different classes when you open up Google Classroom. I think what's happening for some of you is that you're clicking on perhaps this button here that says open your work. If you do that, it shows you what's upcoming. Just going to go back. The problem with doing that is you're missing some of the class materials. It also shows you here what's due, so some of you might just be clicking on there and then trying to just, actually do the activity and turn it in without actually looking at the lesson materials. So what you need to do is you need to click on the name of the class. This will bring up the class view. Some of you have found this because you have been looking at the live stream here in the comments that I share with you, other teachers share with you. Again, you could click here on the activity that's upcoming, but again, by doing that, you're not going to see the class materials. You do that by clicking here on the classwork tab, and now it reveals everything you need to see for that day's lesson. Now, I do mine by date to make it easier for you, so it's everything that's in here is what you need to be working on. And I always do some instructions first. If you click on there, it tells you what to do. You need to read the PowerPoint, watch the video, complete the booklet, and then complete any extension activity. So you could do that by opening up the PowerPoint, and you can literally click on it. The PowerPoint opens, and then in the usual way, you'd look through all of the information. Once you've done that, you can then go back, minimize that. Here's the video link. Same way, if you click on that, the video
Those
will start
zeros
to
and
play.
ones that represent just two states.
That's all of the information that you need for this lesson. So once you've done that, you can press back again. And then here's the booklet. Okay. Now, if you click on the booklet, which some of you are doing, you won't be able to edit it. Can't click, can't do anything. Okay. So go back. That's not what you're supposed to do. What you need to do is right click on the booklet and open that in a new tab. So that opens a tab at the top. You can then click on that, and if you notice here it says open with Google Slides. So now if you click that, it will actually let you edit the document. Now quite a few of you have worked this out, some of you haven't. So then if you click on the boxes, it will let you enter in your information, go through each of the activities, enter in what's required here, whatever that might be. And then at this next stage, a few of you are clicking the share button. You don't need to press this share button. You just need to make sure that it says here, all changes saved in Drive. Okay, so once you've then finished that, you can literally just close that page down. It takes you back to here. And again, you can close that page down. Those changes that you've now made have been saved. However, you haven't submitted this assignment to me to mark. So once you've finished it, you must make sure you click the view assignment box. You see that your assignment here is attached, and then you click the turn in button. That's what some of you are not doing. And when you don't turn it in, then it doesn't allow me to see that you're ready for it to be marked. Now, if you haven't quite finished it and you've still got time, then you don't need to press that turn in button. Again, you can right click, open in new tab from here, and it will bring the booklet back up again in the same way. And then you can just continue with it until you've finished it. Remember, you don't need to press share. You just need to make sure that any changes have been saved, and then you can exit the booklet, exit this tab here, go back to here. So let me just show you that again. So if you're in your classwork page, let's just go back to the start. You can find your booklet. If you want to make some further changes, you can open it in the new tab. You can then open it with Google Slides. Make all of those changes, simply close it. And the most important thing is when you're ready to submit, you click here and you click turn in. Let's do that now. Let's turn that in. It'll say one attachment. That's great. Let's turn it in. Let's wait until we get the confirmation, and then that activity has now been submitted. And it even gives us the option, if we like, to unsubmit it because we want to make some changes, and we can add a comment here to the teacher. There we go. And then I'll get that on my side and I can respond there, and you've seen those comments. So it really is as simple as that. You need to make sure you're clicking this classwork button every day, going through those activities. Any questions? Give me a shout.